Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create time blocking with Dola AI in 2026. Time blocking is a simple productivity method where you divide your day into specific time periods and assign each period to a particular task or activity. Dola AI can help you organize these blocks through calendar events and natural language scheduling. First, open Dola AI and make sure your supported calendar is connected. Before creating your time blocks, look at your existing meetings and appointments so you know which parts of your day are already occupied. Start by choosing the most important tasks you need to complete. For example, you could create a 2-hour block for focused project work in the morning. You can tell Dola something like, schedule 2 hours of focused work tomorrow from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. If the request is supported, Dola can help create the corresponding calendar event. Next, create additional blocks for other activities. You might schedule time for checking emails, attending meetings, completing administrative tasks, exercising, studying, or taking breaks. For example, you could create a 1-hour block for email management at 11:30 a.m., followed by a lunch break and then another focused work session in the afternoon. When creating time blocks, avoid filling your entire day with back-to-back